Hello everyone, Traders Avi from Trading, the YouTube channel focusing exclusively on binary option trading. Today I will show you a strategy based on the rate of change indicator. Before please and let me kindly ask you to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming content. Thanks for all. I am trading at PocketOption. You can find the platform and link in the description as usual. Let's get to the strategy of the current video. Select rate of change indicator twice. The first indicator, rate of change, I will choose 7 and 2 pixels. The other indicator, rate of change, I will leave it at 14 and 2 pixels. Now I go look for a good moment to get great trades. Here is a good moment. We must focus that we have a bottom and it started to turn upwards. And we have rate of change indicators. We have a signal that the market will go up, but we have a strong bottom. This is very important. The market will continue to higher, as you can see. We have equal candles, and then empty the strength with the current candle, but when it ends, I will get higher trades in new candle. As we can see, the candle is trying to climb with all its might, and this is good to get trades in the new candle. And if we go back, we can see the line is straight. And we also have bottoms behind, and this is a sign that the bottom is very strong. Now I will get my trades higher because I believe that the market will continue to go up. I believe in that. If we have a strong bottom and we have indicators that tell us that the market will go down, it will be wrong to get the trades because the bottom will not be broken. And in this case the market will return to the upward state. You must watch the market well if we have a strong bottom or peaks in case we go back and see the top or bottoms and retracement candles are at the same level. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press like, because this will motivate me a lot and help me. Great trades closed successfully and now we are looking for another good moment. Here it is good for trading, but I will wait for the candle to close to see where it will close. Will it break the top and close above the line, or will it close below the line? If it closes above the line, I will get higher trades, and if I close below the line, I will get lower trades. The candle closed above the line as we can see, and the trading will be higher. As we can see, the candle broke the line and closed above the line, and in this case the market will go upwards. Nevertheless, the rate of change indicators are still heading down, but they will correct and go upward. I believe in that, and we will see now, because the strength of the candle is immediate by penetrating the top, because the 3 candles we have candle retracements, and in the first rise of the candle, it was completed. Penetrating the top. And in this case, the market will continue to the upside. Great, my trade closed successfully and now we will see if we can find a good moment and it will be the last for the day. Here I will get my trades, but I will wait for the candle to close to see if it will break the other top or will it close at the bottom. We will see that through the line that I put. If it closed above the line, I will get my trades. If the candle closes below the line, I will not get trades in this market because this line is easy to break in the opposite direction. It seems that the candle will be created at the top of the line, and this is good for obtaining the last trading of the day, and we see the rate of change indicator. We also have a signal that the market will continue to higher. As we can see, the candle closed above the line, And now I will get the last trades for the day, and this will be a great work for the day, and I will stop trading today, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press like, dear. An important point is that you must train on the strategies through the demo account in order to know how the strategies work, and do not train in real money. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click like, dear. Great, trading closed successfully, the last trade for the day. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press like.